Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a 2023 G90. Customer complained that when opening the door, there's a clicking noise or something like that. So you heard that. So I found that noise is coming from our, if it's a regular car, door checker they called it, but in this case, they called, and this because this door checker, there's a motor there, so that's the one that's controlling when automatically close on the door, right? So they call it the door easy access. So today we're gonna be replacing that component. I'm just gonna be removing our panel here. And I checked the manual, there's no calibration on that motor, so it's just plug and play. And yeah, and here's our part number for that. And this is how it looks like. So this is the guy here. So this is one is connected. What? Like what? So like that. Oh, why is it? Because it should stay like that. How come I? Okay. So you have to turn it like that, right? So that's how it looks like. So now we're just gonna be removing our panel. Okay, so usually there's gonna be a screw in here where you usually put your coins. So let's just double check if there's any screws. Oh, it looks like that's the only screw. So we just have to remove our cable here for door lock and a big connector here for electronic stuff on our door. Okay, so next is I'm gonna remove our speaker because it's gonna come up from this side here. Okay, remove your speaker, and here's our big connector here. We just have to remove this connector. How does it looks like? Let me see first. Okay, so this is upside down like that. Your connector should be on the side here. Okay, now next will be I'm gonna remove this bolt there. Okay, so we're gonna remove first this guy. That's 10 mm. Okay. Now there's a cover on this side here. Let me remove that first. Okay, so that cover there, that covers our nuts. So same thing, it's 10 mm. Oops, don't drop. I think I dropped the other nut there. So it's gonna come out this side here. So why is it stuck? There's our old one. I don't know what happened there, why it makes noise. Maybe this guy. Where's the new one? And that moves freely. So I don't know what failed, but I'm 100% sure that it's coming from this unit that's making noise, the clicking sound. Now where's the nut that fell off? And also, there could be a chance that this part where our nut goes in, maybe that was loose. I didn't check that, but anyway, since we have this new part here, we're gonna replace this guy. So I just have to line up the stud. Okay, that was tricky to line up those studs. second, let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna open it again. Okay, so at least that's good. I don't hear that like knocking. I'm gonna try to compare in the passenger side when I'm trying to wiggle this door. If I hear that a soft clicking. So here's our passenger side front. Okay, so that's normal, moving like that. That there's kind of noise. Okay, that's good. Alright guys, so there you go. That was quick and easy, at least replacing that they called door easy access component or part, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.